Where is the factory located where the MACHs are manufactured? And do you have additional factories in different parts of the world?
Well, let's start off by talking a little bit about the GoldOre business model, if I can call it that. So GoldOre has a business model of subcontracting. So we have a very small core team within GoldOre where all the planning and strategizing happens, and then we farm out the work as it comes out to various subcontractors to get the job done in the end, to produce the MACH reactors and get it shipped out to our clients. But having said that, GoldOre is in the game of intellectual property. So our business isn't in the nuts and bolts and steel that goes into a MACH reactor. It is in the idea behind it. It's in the reasoning and the thinking that went into the design of the MACH. That's our intellectual property, which we have worldwide patent protection for. But having said that, we still like to keep our secrets and hold our cards close to our chest. So we tend to not, how can I say, swap from one contractor to the other very often. So we have the same manufacturers, for example, that do the manufacturing of the MACH that were there at the onset. They built the very, very first sort of prototype MACH reactors. They're the same people, the same company. 12 years on, they're still doing the MACH reactor. So there's almost like an extension of the GoldOre family. We're different companies, but we're one big family. We share the same type of culture and passion, etc. And I know that they will always take care of my interests. So loyalty is a very, very important attribute. GoldOre really values loyalty, and we're true to our subcontractors. And having said all of that, where do we manufacture? Here in South Africa. So I don't want to have my secrets scattered all over the world. So I manufacture in South Africa where I'm based as well. So I can keep a very close eye on every detail, every stage of manufacture. I can be there for quality testing, leak testing of reactors at the end to sign it off. And really that's the investment. The business of the MACH for GoldOre, most of the effort, money, investment goes into building that reactor right, doing it right the first time to impeccable quality standards. If we get that right, it's smooth sailing thereafter, excuse the pun, all the way to our client. But even when the client starts it up, commissions it and runs it, I swear it will still be there when that plant shuts down.